हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू एफपीएल गपशप। मेरा नाम है रक्षित एंड इस वीडियो में हम फाइनल गेम वीक ऑफ द सीजन प्रीव्यू करेंगे। गेम वीक 38 विल बी लुकिंग एट पॉइंट्स, अपनी टीम्स के ट्रांसफर्स डिस्कस करेंगे एंड सेलिब्रेट करेंगे हाउ मनन छिप्पर हैज बॉटल्ड हिज टॉप 10 के फिनिश। क्या हाल है दोस्तों? इट्स बीन अ रिचर्ड सीजन।
Don't you have another sentence? And how Rakshit Chopra has bottled top 50K finish.
नो,
Were
वी
we
आर
not
नॉट
going with
बॉटल
that?
टॉप 50 के। टॉप 50 के मेरा कभी ऑब्जेक्टिव नहीं था बॉटल करने के लिए। इट्स लाइक अ बैड, इट्स लाइक कि
अच्छा,
आपकी टॉटनहम
okay,
हॉटस्पर
समझ
है
गया, समझ
बॉटल
गया.
द
You
टॉप
could
10
not reach,
फिनिश और समथिंग, राइट?
you could
तो
not
मैं तो
reach
आपको
top
आर्सेनल से
50.
कंपेयर करूंगा, जो खुश हैं, दे आर वेरी हैप्पी विद द सेकंड प्लेस पोजीशन, जबकि उनको कुछ मिलेगा नहीं उसके लिए। सो दिस इज प्रोबब्ली अ कंपैरिजन जो मैं करूंगा।
Yeah, coming out a little,
मी एंड भाटिया साहब आर
jealousy and
अंडर नो इल्यूजन कि वी आर हैविंग गुड सीजंस, बट समहाउ यू आर, सो दैट्स
I
व्हाई
I
I
am
am
I,
बिकॉज़ यू
happy.
बॉटल्ड इट।
I am very
I am
happy.
happy.
My target was
I
21
want
million.
It-
I am
it-
far
I want
achieved.
to I want to put this
That's
screen
the
to just
that's
show
the
people
person
why
you
you bottled
are.
it, because
That's the
पूरे
person
सीजन
you
टॉप
are.
1 टॉप 2 टॉप 5 में तो बंदा था ही, 6 हो गया। अब मतलब ही इज
सिर्फ
हैंगिंग ऑन टू
एक
टॉप
सिर्फ
10
एक गेम
इसलिए
वीक 5 में आया हूँ पूरे
क्लियरली
सीजन
बॉटल्ड
में.
इट। बट मनन, द
नाइस
गुड
एक्शन.
गुड न्यूज इज कि देयर इज, अगर आप टॉप 10 की नहीं फिनिश करते हो तो लोगों को नहीं दिख पाएगा, बिकॉज वी डोंट हैव अ पॉड नेक्स्ट वीक। दैट्स द गुड न्यूज फॉर यू।
Yeah, that's true.
या
That's true.
without wasting any time, let's talk about our teams. Let's talk about my extremely successful bench boost. Going into the last match Tuesday, मैंने मनन से कहा था यार मेरे को बस 10 पॉइंट्स हिट करने हैं, आयत नूरी से 1 पॉइंट चाहिए। 1 पॉइंट तो आ ही जाएगा क्योंकि मेरा टारगेट था डबल डिजिट। बट ऑफ कोर्स द वे
I
द
knew
सीजन
he had
इज
some
गोइंग,
other plans.
आयत नूरी ने डिसाइड किया कि हाँ 4 गोल खाते हैं इस मैच में। लेट्स कंसीड 4 गोल्स टू अ क्रिस्टल पैलेस टीम जो ड्रंक है, हंगओवर, पूरी सेकंड टीम खेली है। लेट्स डू इट। And he gave me 0 points. The only return was Ilanga. 9 points is not a disaster, but at this point of the season, I don't give a shit anyways. I don't have much to say about my team. I don't give a fuck. So let's move on to the next team, which is
What about
yeah.
Palmer captaincy? Can you go back? What I want to. How was he? Like, you were very high on him. कि थोड़ा
I took a
that was your
risk. I took a
transfer.
risk because I took a risk because unlike some people, I'm not satisfied with mediocre finishes. So I always try and strive for like higher finishes. I took a punt. It was a bad call, but he should have had 2 assists. The thing is कि किसी और कैप्टन ने कुछ
प्लेयर
खास
ने
किया
कुछ
नहीं।
किया ही नहीं. हाँ.
फॉर एग्जांपल अगर मैं आपकी टीम पे आऊँ और भाटिया
नहीं,
साहब की
मेरी
टीम पे
बात
आऊँ,
में पहले भाटिया साहब पे आ जाओ.
हाँ तो आप दोनों का सेम कैप्टन एनीवेज, यू वेंट विद द क्राउड, यू वेंट विद द हर्ड। आप खुश हो गए मनन, द कंसीडरिंग द काइंड ऑफ मैनेजर यू आर, विल बी हैप्पी विद द सब
Yeah, I
ऑप्टिमल
think
5
he
पॉइंट्स
he
फ्रॉम योर
he
कैप्टन
he outscored
Hollywood
he
King.
outscored Palmer, so I'm really happy
It
because
doesn't matter if you outscored or not. All that
no, but
matters is कि आपने पंट लिया है नहीं लिया,
I
right?
care
And
about
मतलब
what
that's
you
the
do.
way you
And
play safe. अगर आप थोड़ा सा रिस्क लेते तो मे बी टॉप 10 के में आ सकते थे। That's all.
also अगर आप थोड़ा सा सेफ खेलते तो आप 30 के आ सकते थे. So
नहीं, मैं सेफ खेलता तो मैं टॉप 200 300 की होता। That's not the way I play. That's I think the key
हाँ,
difference. But I think
but
भाटिया
that
साहब की टीम की बात कर लेते हैं, कंसीडरिंग एरोन के ऊपर है।
yeah.
कुछ है नहीं बात करने लायक. I mean, double City defense last minute पे concede करता है. Salah misses an open goal. De Bruyne misses an open goal. Watkins peer pressure में पता नहीं क्यों लेके आया. मैं
एक सेकंड
मैं
भाटिया
Vardy
साहब,
captain
गलती
कर रहा
आपकी
था.
है। Don't blame De Bruyne, don't blame Salah.
मेरी
You should
गलती.
have not picked these shit players in your team.
Also.
Yeah, I agree.
Everyone knows they are shit players.
All players are
बिल्कुल.
shit players.
Visa is the best player in the Premier League, obviously. तो
Yeah,
सही
he
है
is.
फिर.
Yeah.
He is.
राया की पता नहीं कैसे क्लीन शीट आ गया. I think that's the first clean sheet in ages. So average week, honestly ठीक चल रहा था except the City clean sheet wipe out and that Eze goal. Eze goal hurt a lot because पता नहीं
Yeah,
लोगों को Eze कहाँ से आ गया.
Yeah,
But ठीक है.
it.
Last week of this nonsense, so
True,
Yeah.
true. Let's just get
Before it's all
over
over. बेस्ट पार्ट है कि एजे किसी के पास नहीं है, लास्ट वीक में कंफर्म्ड गोल मारेगा, सबको पता है, कोई
Yeah.
आएगा नहीं उसे।
Yeah, 100% as is scoring.
Chipper, are you like fine with your week considering
Nah,
Milinkovic
नहीं यार.
on the bench and do Sar ka says Raya 7 points? Or I wish I had your bench, man, for a bench boost.
Yeah.
Shipper के हर हफ्ते 20 पॉइंट है बेंच बूस्ट पे, except the week that he's played it. हर
But
हफ्ते
उसमें
20
11 आए थे मेरे. I still hit double digits. उसमें 11 आया था. I still hit double digits. Should was the target. I again not really happy with. But मुझे समझ में आया नहीं था कि मेरा रेड एरो क्यों, until you explained कि इतने सारे चिप्स है, right? कि अगर आप टीम ऑफ द वीक जो ये दिखता है आपके स्कोर के नीचे, उस पे जाओगे तो आपको एक प्लेयर नहीं दिखेगा कि जो लाने लायक था, राइट? राइस, गिब्स, मे बी गिब्स वाइट, बट उसके अलावा कोई ऐसा था नहीं. So really don't give two damns about how the
क्या बात कर रहे हो यार? सबको पता था कि एडी एनकेटिया इज द ऑब्वियस ट्रांसफर दिस वीक. कैसी बातें कर रहे हो भाई?
मुझे नहीं बताया था किसी
सबको पता था.
मुझे नहीं बताया था किसी ने. So खैर let's just get
आप सिर्फ दो ही लोगों की बात सुनते हो, प्रॉब्लम वही है.
मैं सिर्फ खुद का मन का और ट्रांसफर और डेडलाइन डेडलाइन से 5 मिनट पहले मैं और चोपड़ा सर हमेशा बात करते हैं और जो चोपड़ा सर बोलते हैं फिर वही होता है सब कुछ.
आप वही गलती करते.
Whatever transfer we make is the wrong one.
I agree.
That's the truth. Okay, let's fucking move on. It's been a fucking shit week, shit season. चाहे कितना भी चिप्पर डिनाई करे. चिप्पर मतलब you are 32K, but it's been a shit season like experience wise. That's all I'm saying. It's been a very shit season like experience wise. Like मजा नहीं आया.
That is what I said. That is again, this has been a horrible season. I agree. This has been an absolute. I think it's more to do with जो Premier League की quality है, right? Especially मतलब I didn't enjoy watching Premier League matches उतना जितना usually do. ना ही FPL में इतना मजा है. Obviously एक assistant manager से अपना तो मेरे हिसाब से पूरा game ruin किया है. Just according to, it's not about कैसा गया है. I think it has ruined it. And I think सब मिला के I just also want this season to get over. So we are on the final game week. Anyway, this is a slide which shows कि usually every season हम जो बोलते हैं game week 38 में ज़्यादा goals पड़ते हैं, but वो actually पड़ते हैं. There's a historical ये अब historical data है कि अगर आप देखो 1 से 37 के बीच का average and single game week 38 का average ज़्यादा होता है. And every season there's this one match जिसमें एक 4-0 5-0 sort of होता है. It's just about if you can find that match and get assets from उस game से.
So one team is scoring 5 goals. That's
one team is scoring 5 goals, and if you can identify that, again, I don't in million years would have identified last year Palace versus Villa में final scoreline होगी. So who knows? Yeah.
Crazy. That's the big challenge. मैं तो कभी nail नहीं कर पाता हूँ. Maybe you guys can.
Yeah.
Maybe this will help. This is the projected goals and clean sheet odds. I think this is the week जहाँ मैं इसको पूरा ignore करना चाहूँगा इस ग्राफिक को. एंड मतलब मैं अपनी बस गट फीलिंग पे जाना चाहूँगा. राइट मतलब हो भी सकते हैं नहीं भी हो सकते हैं. I'll give you an example. अब न्यूकासल एवर्टन में न्यूकासल 2.4 राइट दे आर सेइंग न्यूकासल विल स्कोर अ लॉट ऑफ गोल्स राइट. तो इमीडिएटली आपको दिखता है कि हाँ दिस विल बी वन ऑफ द हाईएस्ट स्कोरिंग मैचेस. बट आई एम नॉट श्योर बिकॉज ईसाक की फिटनेस पे डाउट है. आई थिंक इट्स मोर इम्पोर्टेंट कि आई थिंक जिस भी मैच में टीम्स हैव समथिंग टू प्ले फॉर ना मुझे लगता है वो थोड़े लो स्कोरिंग हो सकते हैं. वे दे जस्ट वांट टू गेट द जॉब डन राइट. मतलब वो गंग हो स्कोर लाइन्स के लिए. आई एम नॉट श्योर पीपल विल गो राइट. सिमिलरली आप चेल्सी फॉरेस्ट की बात करो. आई डोंट सी टू मेनी गोल्स इन दिस. अगर आप ब्राइटन टॉटनहम की बात करो आई थिंक देयर विल बी मोर गोल्स इन दिस मैच. वुल्व्स ब्रेंटफोर्ड भी कम दिखा रहा है. देयर माइट बी मोर गोल्स इन दिस मैच. टीम्स विद नथिंग टू प्ले फॉर राइट. सो मुझे लगता है कि इन सॉर्ट ऑफ मैचेस में थोड़े में भी ज़्यादा देख सकते हैं. भाटी साहब मतलब जस्ट टू सिंप्लीफाई इट मतलब if you had to like pick up couple of matches where you think कि maximum goals पड़ेंगे from both teams या एक टीम से क्या आपको दिख रहे हैं वो हाई स्कोरिंग मैच जहाँ से लोगों को पंट करना चाहिए. This is all about 1 week punts now.
Yeah,
Spurs Brighton for sure looks like a high scoring game. For me Liverpool Palace looks like a high scoring game where both teams can score at least a couple of goals. And one more I would say Bournemouth Leicester. You never know with Bournemouth if they turn up that could be the final game.
That's again final home game yeah.
That could be the 5-0 game that we are looking for. But Forest Chelsea मुझे भी लगता है नहीं होगा. I also don't think Newcastle Everton होगा. Fulham Man City भी नहीं होगा. So these three you can kind of safely rule out. बाकी साथ में देखो could be United Villa final to Villa हो सकता है. The way United are playing.
That by the way, if you guys don't know, Bhatia Saab is a United fan, so it's coming from bottom of his heart.
Sheffield United fan. Yeah. Big match पे भाटी साहब tomorrow playoff final. He's a big Sheffield United fan. But actually if I see कि अगर एक टीम 5 गोल मारेगी ना तो I agree कि मेरे को 2 टीम्स दिख रही हैं जो पोटेंशियल रखती है 5 गोल मारने का. एक है बोर्नमथ एक है आर्सेनल. If I see कि कौन सी टीम 5 तक जा सकती है. उसके अलावा कैन यू सी मनन एनी टीम यू थिंक कैन स्कोर एक मैच में गोल्स पड़ सकते बट कैन यू सी अ टीम रीचिंग 5 गोल्स?
नहीं आई कंप्लीटली एग्री. बोर्नमथ एंड आर्सेनल आर द 2 टीम्स अगेन. मुझे ऐसा लगता है साउथहैम्पटन वाले मैच में ना अगेन इफ फाइनल होम गेम दे माइट कम आउट एंड प्ले राइट. जो philosophy के साथ they started with in the Premier League. Obviously it backfired, but I just feel final home game they'll come out and play. Arsenal की कैसी भी टीम हो, even अगर second team हो, first team हो, कैसी भी टीम हो, I think they can actually score 5 goals. It's all about here that early goal, right? And उसके बाद bloodbath होगा. So I just feel कि I agree. Southampton and Bournemouth and Arsenal are the two teams. But rightly, जैसे भाटिया साहब ने point out किया, right? I think Liverpool Palace and Tottenham Brighton ये दो matches हैं जहाँ पे I see the most goals, and that is where I feel like it transferred. आप जो भी सोच रहे हो लाने का उसी हिसाब से होना चाहिए.
Yeah, I think you can अपनी gut feel के हिसाब से आप जा सकते हो. There are a lot of matches you can target, right? If you for example still have Isak, right? मतलब you can still go to Watkins, right? भाटिया साहब ने मतलब हम discuss करते it's a nailed on Watkins goal एक तो आना ही है. We know it.
Yeah.
But Ivan Nilsson is also a great option. Danny Welbeck, I'm pretty sure will do well.
He's gonna score, yeah.
100%.
There are so many good options, right? भरोसा नहीं है.
So
मतलब अभी कह नहीं सकते, राइट? काय हावर्ट्स को स्टार्ट मिल सकता है. मिकेल मेरिनो माइट स्टार्ट एज द मेन नंबर 9 इन दिस मैच, राइट? तो ही इज कमिंग बैक फ्रॉम अ सस्पेंशन, ही कैन डू वेल. वानेरी एज अ पंट कैन डू वेल इन दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ मैच. वुल्व्स ब्राइटन इज अ मैच जो हमें लग रहा है लो स्कोरिंग में फट सकता है वो मैच, राइट? फुलम अपने जैसे मनन आपने कहा साउथहैम्पटन अपने होम पे अच्छा करेगी. फुलम में भी दे हैव नथिंग टू लूज, राइट? दे विल कम आउट एंड ओपन लाइक अटैकिंग फुटबॉल खेल सकती है. Might benefit a KDB or a Marmoush, consider नहीं कर रहे लोग, और a Haaland, right? This is sort of the match जो अपने लोग डाउट कर रहे हैं फाइनली सिटी प्लेयर्स को और इस मैच में डिलीवर कर रहे हैं, right? Eberechi Eze, he will get spaces. He's on fire. The hottest player in the Premier League is Eze.
Eze
And
scoring,
he will
I think,
start. He will start and he will score. It's a guarantee he will score. But will we get it?
What if I give you an, like, you know, for people who are benching dilemmas, let's say if they can only start one of Rodgers or Eze, you'd start Eze, right? Like undoubtedly.
Yeah.
Not this game. Not this game.
No,
I'll start Eze.
I'll start Eze.
I'll start Eze. I'll start Eze. He's so hot right now. He's on a hot
Exactly,
streak.
he's so hot. Yeah. No, but
Eze is either a goal or nothing. Rodgers is guaranteed minimum an assist. Guaranteed.
I disagree.
Yeah, I think there is a minimum goal assist from Eze also. Personally.
Yeah, I agree. There's a minimum assist.
The way Liverpool defended against Brighton, against Chelsea, against Arsenal, they are like, they just go for it, man. They just look to entertain. मेरे को लगता है 2 गोल खाएगी वो.
Rakshit, you talked about, right, कि final identify करना, but overall अगर आप देखो तो odds, obviously bookies also take into account कि final game week में ज़्यादा goals पड़ते हैं. We can see क्योंकि more than 2 kick goals में I think what 6 7 teams हैं around, तो this is obviously ये पहले ही ज़्यादा है. And then even if you see around 2 की, then Villa 1.95, West Ham 1.85, right? There are teams जो closer है. तो I still feel कि bookies भी ज़्यादा goals historically जो हमने दिखा है वैसा predict करके I think ज़्यादा goals ही दिए हैं हर टीम को.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. मतलब Liam Delap की बात कर लो. West Ham are shit, right? मतलब Ipswich are also shit, but Liam Delap is playing for a transfer. Last home match. Yeah. Last home match, looking to make a mark. You know, he can do also like do pretty okay in this match. We मतलब क्या पता Chelsea Forest में भी there are players. गोल तो मारनी है, देखो दोनों को जीतना है. Players could do well and मतलब Mateta could do well. क्या पता. Cunha का last home match है for Wolves. He can do well. This side anyways on a hot streak right now. He can do well off the bench also. क्या पता. Stan Larson could do well, right? He will start. Stan Larson could do really well in this match against I would say poor Brentford defense, man. They were pretty bad against Fulham. It's a great punt, I think. Last home match with Stan Larson lana. I don't mind it.
In short, anyone can do well.
Anyone can do well.
No one knows it.
Let me just like ask you top 3 targets if you wanted to. Any position, like, you know, you can mix it up.
Let me just do it simple कि defender और midfielder striker आपकी first preference क्या है? First pick क्या होगी इस week आप दोनों?
Okay, fair. Bhatia sir, you want to start?
You start here.
So defender में I still feel Kirkis is the one. उसका भी final home game हो सकता है, by the way, according to the rumor. Midfield में it's very difficult to identify, but I still feel मेरे हिसाब से high scoring होगा साला, but obviously साला लोगों के पास है. I still like Jared Bowen. Again, it's not about 1.85, but हमें पता है अगर वेस्ट हैम 2 स्कोर कर रही है तो उसमें जेरेड बोवन का इन्वॉल्वमेंट होगा ही होगा. आपको वैसे भी देखना पड़ता है, राइट? ऐसा हो सकता है आर्सेनल 5 मारे लेकिन उसमें 5 प्लेयर्स इन्वॉल्वड, राइट? So it's about the goal share percentage. तो midfield में I'd still go with Jared Bowen and forwards में for me has to be Van Nilsson. I think ceiling बहुत high है Van Nilsson की.
भाटी साहब,
Agree with Kirkes. I think standout है in terms of attacking threat as well as good clean sheet potential. और midfield में honestly बहुत सारे options हैं. Bowen, I agree. I like Luis Diaz for this game. अच्छा point लग रहा है मुझे. Arsenal mid, someone like Trossard, if he's nailed on to start, could be a great differential. Midfield में बहुत सारे options हैं. Strikers में I like Welbeck, I like Evan Nilsson. Watkins has to be there in your team, I feel, for this game. Double-digit potential. Liam Delap, आपने mention किया last home game. I think he does well.
I like sorry, what is that? I like Callum Wilson as well. If we get news Isak is not starting because obviously leaks होंगे, then I think also उसका भी final home game होगा. Might be on penalties, Callum Wilson, right? If he starts,
he will be on penalties. Yeah,
he'll be on penalties. So I don't hate that match as well.
Yeah, it's not a bad shot. But I think there are better forwards. Wilson may not play the whole 90.
Yeah.
And Everton are decent defensively. So you don't expect Everton to get thrashed. You might expect Leicester to get thrashed. You might see Spurs conceding 3 at least. So yeah, forwards में बहुत options है. Defense में I think Kirkes stand out है. बाकी take your pick यार, बहुत सारे picks हैं.
Yeah, I think Kirkes is a good pick. I agree. But मेरे को वो feeling आ रही है कि they'll concede a random goal. हो सकता है. So उसके अलावा clean sheet दिख भी नहीं रही है मुझे कहीं. I feel Villa have one of the best chances to give a clean sheet, right?
Yeah, they have been very good defensively.
They've been very good defensively. United are completely demoralized and it's a must-win match for Villa. मेरे को लगता है वहाँ उनकी आ सकती है कौन सा unspectacular है but could be like a okay pick, right? I like Welbeck a lot. मेरे को बहुत पसंद है.
Yeah.
Evan Nilsson, Welbeck दोनों की बहुत feel है.
I'm tempted, yeah.
I think you should get in a player जो आपको लगता है 2 returns देगा. एक return is not good enough.
Yeah.
मुझे लगता है कि Danny Welbeck. This is a match जहाँ पे Tottenham will play with the handbrakes off completely, right? And मुझे लगता है कि this could be anything. Brighton जीत सकती है, Tottenham जीत सकती है, 2 गोल तो मारेगी Brighton.
I have a question.
2 गोल तो Bournemouth भी मारेगी. Yeah.
Again we saw Kluivert last 3 match में he started one, he was benched in one, and I think last match maybe he was taken off at 45 minutes, right? So do you think first question is Evan Nilsson, if Kluivert is not on the pitch, let's say, Evan Nilsson will be on penalties?
Probably, yeah.
And what about Danny Welbeck? Joao Pedro obviously
Danny Welbeck will be on penalties.
Yeah,
for sure.
that is the thing now, because if you see
he also takes direct free kicks.
Yeah, and also Hurstland has बता दिया है कि कि Joao Pedro is not gonna be included in the squad because of disciplinary actions. So I think Welbeck might just with penalties might be a better option than Evan Nilsson. That is what I'm considering right now.
मेरे को तो आपका पॉइंट मनन सही लगा जो आपने बोला ना कि गोल्स बहुत पड़ेंगे बट कौन मारेगा, राइट? तो इफ यू सी बोर्नमथ में बहुत स्प्रेड हो सकता है, राइट? सेमेन्यो मार सकता है, टैवर्नियर मार सकता है, जस्टिन क्लाइवर्ट मार सकता है, उटारा मार सकता है, इवन निल्सन मार सकता है, बहुत सारे प्लेयर है, राइट? बट अगर आप बोलोगे ब्राइटन ने अगर 2 से 3 गोल मारे हैं, यू एक्सपेक्ट कि वेलबेक इन्वॉल्व होगा इन सम कैपेसिटी. मतलब यू एक्सपेक्ट तो कुछ भी सकता है. लाइक लास्ट मैच में ब्राइटन स्कोर्ड 3 एंड वेलबेक हैड लाइक 1 assist I think, but he had like 4 shots on target or something.
Two big chances missed.
And I feel कि उसका गोल इन्वॉल्वमेंट का चांसेस मेरे को थोड़े बेटर लग रहे हैं, स्पेशली गिवन द वे टॉटनहम प्ले. मुझे लगता है he will be at the end of chances. So ये कुछ चीजें I think आपको थोड़ी लक पे भी आ जाएगी आपकी यार कि कैसा जा रहा है.
True. Again it's your reading यार, आपको जो reading लग रही हो. हाँ.
There is more surety of Bournemouth scoring 3-4 goals than Brighton. That's the flip side.
Yeah. Because मुझे ऐसा लगता है ना टॉटनहम एट होम इतनी हाई होगी मोमेंटम के साथ, मे बी दे राइड इट आउट, राइट? कि एंड आई डोंट थिंक
Right.
Even if they concede an early goal, right? I don't think मतलब वो बहुत सारे concede करेगी goals. I don't see a thrashing from Brighton, but I see a thrashing from Bournemouth. बहुत सारे narratives हैं.
True.
Let's see.
Any match भाटिया साहब जो हमें लग रहा है कि जहां हम expect नहीं कर रहे हैं but suddenly पड़ सकते हैं goals आपके हिसाब से, और मतलब a match which is like overlooked, maybe like a Fulham Man City maybe.
मुझे Ipswich West Ham लगता है वैसा गेम. Both teams can go for it, and Wolves Brentford is possible. Fulham Man City, and Man City, they don't have that attacking flair this season. That's only if Fulham play completely open, and I don't see them doing that. Fulham are decent defensively. It looks like a KG game, but funnier things have happened. It could be a 2-3 sort of a game if Fulham take the attack. Who knows?
True. I think Forest Chelsea के अलावा कोई भी मैच फट सकता है.
हाँ.
This
I think
is the
Newcastle
only
Everton
match
नहीं
जिसमें शोरू
फटेगा.
नहीं पड़ेगा.
Newcastle
That's
Everton
also
भी नहीं
true.
फटेगा.
Yeah. You never know. St. James's factor आ जाएगा.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's talk about our teams very briefly. Last transfer. Firstly, भाटिया साहब क्या प्लान है? हिट लेने का प्लान है? सिंगल ट्रांसफर करोगे? क्या प्लान है?
This is the
Delete
first time I'm
करोगे.
seeing my team. First time I'm seeing my team after the last week, honestly.
So
And,
what's as per our discussion, आपका क्या instinct क्या कह रहा है? Like, what is the weakness in your team that you want to?
I'm rolling my transfer.
Come on.
Game week 1 में I'll get one extra transfer with the free transfers.
Oh, so you are playing next season? Okay, good to know.
Bench boost करके फिर बंद करेंगे ना, delete कर
फिर
देंगे.
छोड़ देंगे. That's the plan. Yeah.
That's how we'll judge. Bench boost के बाद तीनों bench boost करेंगे, फिर बंद कर देंगे and who has a better rank.
हाँ, जिसका सबसे ऊपर हुआ वही कंटिन्यू करेगा सीजन. बाकी दोनों डिलीट. कैप्टन साला भाटिया साहब.
Captain Salah 99%, or maybe Bowen if I feel very punty. But so my problem is, who do I, if I get a striker or a midfielder, who do I bench? I think my weakest options
De Bruyne.
are KDB and Mateta, जो start नहीं कर रहा है. So if I get a striker, that will be for Mateta, but then I'll have to bench De Bruyne, or I sub out De Bruyne for. I like a Trossard, I like a Diaz.
Are you open to?
Trossard start कर रहे हैं क्या आजकल? No, I'm not taking it for sure. Trossard start कर रहे हैं क्या आजकल?
यार अब Merino is back, right? So Merino, if he starts up front.
Also, Havertz is back.
Havertz is back also. Havertz is back. So Trossard की minutes तो बहुत concern.
I don't like Trossard or Martinelli because Havertz is back. क्योंकि अब he'll also have a.
I forgot Havertz is back. Yeah.
That's the confusing part with Arsenal, I think, right? कि पता नहीं कौन अगर लेट से हमें मिल भी गई लाइनअप, राइट? तो भगवान जाने कहाँ से रिटर्न्स आएंगे, पता ही नहीं. It's so confusing.
Do we think Saka starts?
I don't think so.
I do. Rakshit doesn't. I do. I think.
I give it like I am very sure he doesn't start. I think 5% chance. I think Waneri deserves a start. Arsenal fans, everyone is asking for Waneri to start. It's a useless match. Second place is assured. I think Waneri will start. Saka. There's no reason to play.
But let's say if you get a league, Saka starting, you want to be tempted by, let's say, De Bruyne to Saka or maybe another Arsenal?
Definitely. But that is if I am awake till then. If I get the news from somewhere, I don't have any sources for the news at the moment, and if I don't make the transfer till then, शायद मैं transfer करके सो जाऊंगा and not look at my team for like 3 months. But I think the weak position is De Bruyne. Also tempted with Evan Nilsson to bench De Bruyne or Rodgers, but I don't want to bench Rodgers this week. Definitely a return there. De Bruyne वाला game feels tricky for City. What do you suggest? आप लोग एक ट्रांसफर बता दोगे.
If you want to make an attacking transfer, then De Bruyne is the only one. I think he'll start because I think it's an important match City के लिए. It's not like खत्म. So I think he'll start. And you know how FPL works, right? मतलब इस week नहीं खिलाएंगे लोग, उसे निकालेंगे और he'll score. That's what happens. But logically अगर आप देखो तो that's the match. He could do really well in this match. क्या पता? अगर फुलहम एक अटैकिंग अप्रोच लेके आती है तो वो पॉकेट्स में वो he can absolutely explode, right? Last match for City was उसका, but I'm not even sure he starts, right? That's
and
the thing.
That doesn't seem like a lot of goals on paper, that fixture. So that is the reason.
तभी 38 is tricky. De Bruyne can explode, फट सकता है, but पूरे सीजन के एविडेंस पे जाओगे भाटी साहब तो नहीं फटेगा.
Yeah.
If I was in your position, Bhatia sir, I'd do. If we get news, I'm doing De Bruyne to Saka, right? If we get news, if we don't,
मेरे को genuinely सवाल है आपसे कि do you genuinely feel कि Saka is a better option than Evan Nilsson this week?
No, that is where I was going with it, right? Ki if you don't want to rely on leaks, let's say, then I would do Mateta to Evan Nilsson and bench KDB. That is what I would do.
Yeah, that is the straightforward one. because we are so bullish on Bournemouth scoring like 3.
Yeah, I think you gotta have a piece of that pie वाली चीज है. I know even बहुत सारे scorers होंगे उसमें. Let's say if they do score 3-4 goals, but I think Evan Nilsson has gotta be the top name.
I have
That is
that
what.
feeling about Luis Diaz also. So
Same. I really like him. It's just there's not space. It's final game.
I can see Liverpool scoring at least 2, maybe 3 for sure.
Yeah, 3.
मेरे को अगेन लिवरपूल का थोड़ा कंसर्न लगता है कि आई एग्री साला कैप्टनसी इज द सेफर ऑप्शन, बट आई स्टिल डोंट नो उनके गोल्स कहाँ से आते हैं. इट्स यू कैन गो फॉर इट, अगर आपकी लॉटरी हिट हो गई तो हो गई, बट सोबोस्लाई मार सकता है, मतलब गैक्पो मार सकता है, साला मार सकता है, एलियट मार सकता है, मैकएलिस्टर, कोई भी कहीं से भी गोल आते हैं उनके, रेड वैन डाइक मार सकता है. सो अगेन स्प्लिट बहुत होता है लिवरपूल का, स्पेशली अगर आप लास्ट फ्यू वीक्स देखोगे तो बहुत स्प्लिट है. That's my only concern with Liverpool.
If I get an Evan Nilsson, do you bench De Bruyne? Do you bench Rodgers?
You have to play Rodgers.
Yeah, I guess
you have to play Rodgers.
There is he's very hard to bench.
मतलब सबसे nailed on win, अगर आप nailed on wins की बात करें इसमें, I think Villa right up there.
Bournemouth के बाद Villa ही.
But it's also
right up there.
I agree. Rodgers is a great option. Don't get me wrong. But right, मेरी team पे अगर can you just Rakshit go to my team next?
Yeah.
Because I am considering a hit, and if I do that hit, I'll bench Rodgers. So again, it's all about आपके other players. Do you fancy them more than Rodgers? It's not about Rodgers अच्छा करेगा या नहीं, right? So that is where, if you ask me, obviously one free transfer. I'm not touching my defense. I don't care about defense, clean sheets. Don't give a damn about it. My 2 transfers that I'm considering right now, if we don't get news anything, it's easy. Wood to Evan Nilsson, easy transfer. Captain Salah. But if we get a leak that Saka is starting, I'm gonna do Sa to Saka, and I'm gonna bench Rodgers and play Saka. For a hit.
And you're still getting Evan Nilsson.
I'm getting Evan Nilsson. 100% I'm getting Evan Nilsson. Evan Nilsson or Welbeck, one of them, because I'm really tempted by Welbeck as well. But agar Saka ki news it's a Southampton match, yaar. Matlab again, I know, but only if we get news, reliable news that Saka is starting.
Do you think there is a chance we get news?
Yeah, I think we might, because usually game week 38 में obviously there will be a lot of wrong information. Obviously, अगर कोई source से आती है news, तो ही आप trust करें, obviously. But I feel we will get it. Because there's not a lot on ऐसा नहीं होगा ना. पहले आर्सेनल में कैसा होता था, वो लीक्स वाले को ढूंढ रहे थे, right, and all of those things. अब Saturday में they don't have anything to play for, so they won't mind if, let's say, team gets leaked. That's just my opinion. So I think we will get.
I think he could do well, but again, matlab, I don't think he will start. That's the if he starts, is a great option.
Yeah, exactly.
I would urge कि आप कैप्टेंसी दे दो फिर, because पैलेस से बेटर फिक्सचर साउथहैम्पटन है, ला रहे हो तो कैप्टेंसी पे आप जाओ.
I still feel लिवरपूल साला की सीलिंग इस वीक में सबसे हाईएस्ट है, in my opinion. तो personally 95% Salah is locked as captain. मेरे हिसाब से in my whole team, I think Salah is the best captaincy option, and I'm gonna it's not about differential on it. I'm just gonna captain the best player जो मुझे लगता है gonna score the most points personally.
Okay, so this is my team. I don't have a मतलब मैं बहुत टाइम से साला नहीं है मेरे पास, मैं उसको देख रहा हूँ. कर दिया तो कर दिया, नहीं करा तो नहीं करा, ला भी सकता हूँ. बट मेरे को ऐसा कोई फियर नहीं है, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. अगर मेरे को न्यूज़ मिलती है साका स्टार्ट कर रहा है, आई वाज ज़्यादा फियर साका का होगा अगेंस्ट साउथहैम्पटन. Let me just say that I trust Palace. I agree with all your points कि बहुत goals होंगे बहुत होंगे, but मतलब they're a good team. I like Glasner, I like their defense. मुझे लगता है सब start करेंगे. मेरे को नहीं लगता कि वो खुले में बोलेंगे लो भाई मार लो आके, right? तो I'm not. देखो Palace, I have been a bogey team of Liverpool for a long time, and this is one of the best Palace teams, right? If not the best Palace team I've ever seen. And मुझे लगता है कि it's not that. I agree, it's a good match, but इतनी श्योरिटी से लोग कैप्टन कर रहे हैं साला को, मेरे को तो डेफिनेटली लगता है there are better options for captaincy. If you have him, definitely keep him. But मतलब I genuinely feel कि Evan Nilsson, Saka, if you get in like some other player, these are better options. Watkins are better option मेरे हिसाब से. बहुत टाइम से नहीं करा है. You look at Salah's form, it's कोई evidence नहीं है मेरे पास कि ये होगा राइट. एंड मुझे लास्ट मैच में अगर आप देखो राइट, they rested everyone, so everyone's going to start this match. Henderson's going to start, Lacroix's going to start, Guehi's going to start, the midfield में Wharton and all are going to start, Munoz हर मैच start करते हैं, Superhuman, Mitchell, everyone. This will be full first team Palace team. तो अगर आपको लगता है वो completely this team will be blown away by Liverpool, fair enough, captain him, but मेरे को नहीं लगता है personally. It's not that a banker नहीं है कोई. It's one of those results जो मुझे लगता है कि
Have we lost Chopra, sir?
Unfortunately, yes.
I just thought कि मेरा इंटरनेट गया, but I think yeah, कि तभी I was silent. I thought कि मेरा गया, but I think he'll join in a couple of minutes.
Look at his expression जब गया.
Yeah. Oh. I think this is his real face. Audience को नहीं पता होगा, but I stayed with him. I stayed in for a month at his house. This is his real face. This is how Chopra sir actually genuinely look.
Yeah.
This is so nice that we don't have him on his own channel. That is absolutely nice. I like.
2 minute रुक जाओ बस.
2 minute की खुशी तो लेने. But Bhade sir, let's discuss about this team, right? Because if you were ये थी आपकी team, तो what changes would you make? Just initial thoughts.
I think Palmer निकालूंगा यार. As stupid as it may sound, but Palmer, Bowen is a good pick, Mbeumo is a good pick, Rogers, Palmer या Cunha निकाल सकते हैं. You can't remove anyone else from that front seven. So if you want to take a hit, both of them. Otherwise, pick your striker. Evanilson stand out. Welbeck, Delap, good punts. Palmer के बदले you can get Salah, Saka.
It's actually again. Obviously, Chopra sir likes to do in his own way, right? Moves. That's rightly so. Yeah. But I think if I was, if this was my team, I'd 100% do Cunha to Evanilson. I think that's a no-brainer move. And maybe then again, league dependent if he wants to take a hit or not. Again, hit आपका depend करता है. Obviously, आप कुछ अगर mini league में कुछ chase कर रहे हो, right? And if you want to just go for it, again उसके basis पे भी आपके moves होंगे. But I think Palmer to Saka also it makes sense if he's starting.
Yeah, absolutely. Saka का moves आता है तो I think बहुत अच्छा pick if he starts.
Also because he's starting Aina, right? And Palmer is against Aina. So मुझे वो भी अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. If would you start Munoz over Aina? Bhade sir?
I think both will give you 1 or 2 points. फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला है. If you think Munoz chance of an assist, go for it. कभी-कभी Aina का assist आ जाता है, Williams का assist आ जाता है. We have these sort of players. आपने देखा Milinkovic random goal आ गया. So attacking returns for other than Munoz, hard to predict. Munoz आगे जाता है, he gets into the box. So
yeah, he always
Munoz is safer. Yeah.
True. I think इसके अलावा what about captaincy? Let's say he does Cunha to Evanilson. इसकी टीम में नाइप साला है, right? To captain.
I would captain Watkins. I think Watkins or Bowen.
यार पता है मेरा issue Villa that's why I'm gonna bench Rodgers if I take it. Is कि in the last few weeks जब even when they had an opportunity to attack वो पीछे रह रहे थे, वो पास कर रहे थे, like you know they were on the counter attack.
Villa doesn't scream like a very high scoring game, but you expect them to score 2. 2 तो मारे.
हाँ 2 मारेगी, I agree, but then game week 38 में you want to go for the 4-0, 4-5, right? That is where I feel कि let's say you know if you have a better option, I don't mind benching Rodgers.
Yeah, that's fair. I agree with that.
Yeah, so I think I don't think we can close this without Chopra sir. He has texted he is coming in a couple of minutes, so we'll just wait
for him.
Sorry भाटिया साहब, थर्ड वर्ल्ड कंट्री में रहते हैं तो लाइटें चली जाती हैं यहाँ पे. Yeah. So what was I saying?
You were saying about a lot of things about why.
हाँ तो मैं बस ये कह रहा था कि these are just rants of a non-Salah owner.
Yeah.
Obviously he's a great option. But it's not a banker result. It's not a banker 15 pointer. There are other options जहाँ पे आप जा सकते हो. Final day में random shit happens. I've not thought about anything. मुझे मतलब मेरी weakest team है आप दोनों में से because there are two players who are extremely undesirable, Palmer and Cunha. Cunha most likely start नहीं करेगा अपने home पे. Last home match है. Players are pissed off with him, managers pissed off with him, fans are pissed off with him. Not the right conditions. So that is a player जो easily मेरे बेच सकता हूँ, problem नहीं है. So that is the player I'm targeting to remove. अगर मुझे न्यूज़ मिलती है कि कुनिया स्टार्ट कर रहा है, then what do I do? Still, do you think it's still a sell? Because we know what Cunha can do, right?
I think if he starts, you
No.
keep it.
If he starts, you 100% keep him. Because then it will be more of, then again you have to see, but वही वाली चीज़ है, will he get subbed off at 60-65 minutes?
Probably,
right? Yeah, right. So I still feel then he's a sell.
But so will Saka. He will not get more than 60-60.
Fair. But again, Cunha का अगर आप let's say replacement, you are looking at Evanilson and Welbeck, right? Those are nice. It's not about Saka. It's about the Cunha replacement that you're gonna get.
Yeah.
So I think I still make the transfer even if he starts.
Yeah.
I don't.
The big question is Palmer.
Yeah.
That's the sore thumb hanging out. What do I do with him? Do I start him? Do I bench him? Do I sell him?
So,
I'm open to all.
I think.
Genuinely open to all.
आप वापस बता दो आपका opinion.
Why do you want to bench him? Just sell him, no? What are you benching him for? Elanga is not that great a pick.
Yeah.
Let's say
You trust Elanga more than Palmer?
Let's say Cunha starts, right? Probably sell him then.
Yeah, just sell him, no? Sell him
Palmer
for Salah, Saka.
Palmer is an easy
any
sell.
pick in the game. Any pick in the game.
Salah,
but also
Saka.
Also be prepared that he can score 4 goals any game. वो भी याद रखना.
सवाल एक्चुअली वो है, I don't mind selling him. सवाल ये है एक्चुअली कि most likely I'm gonna get like Evanilson, Welbeck में से, right? तो सवाल ये आता है कि then Palmer for a hit sell करके साला लाना या साका लाना worth it है? I think है.
मेरी नजर में तो है, मैं खुद ले रहा हूँ. So,
but you never know in football, right?
Obviously,
I would then get Saka.
में,
I would then get Saka, not Salah, because you've been without Salah and.
No, also मतलब Salah का EO 100 EO होगा ही plus. Then you're getting a hit for a player जिसका आपको gain मिल ही नहीं सकता if you're not captaining him. So
यार ये EO का चक्कर छोड़ो.
मतलब मैं खेलता नहीं वैसे. So
yeah. So I feel you get then Saka. Palmer to Saka is and Cunha to
Saka मतलब that I don't think he'll start. I don't think Cunha will start. I think Salah will start, but.
I think I agree with Manan that Cunha is a sell regardless because there are better striker options available.
Yeah.
So वो आपका narrow down हो गया है. Then you decide whether you want to punt on a midfielder.
What about
I think it comes down to that prediction.
What about captaincy in your team?
Probably gonna captain the player I bring in, whoever it is. Okay. Otherwise मेरे को नहीं समझ आता है तो I'm more inclined towards Watkins than Bowen personally.
Yeah, fair.
ज़्यादा confident हूँ Watkins के ऊपर क्योंकि मैं अभी भी West Ham को trust नहीं करता इतना. Last home match में they can go and lose easily. They still have won, I think, a single match in 3 months. Bowen is doing well. He'll do well in this match also, but that's the truth also. एक मैच जीते हैं 2.5-3 महीने में.
They don't need to win for Bowen to get points. Simple as that.
Yeah, I know.
He can get the losing goal in a 3-1 defeat also. He gets 10 points.
Yeah. But I feel Watkins will score. He will score.
Watkins has the higher ceiling.
Problem is कि this could be low scoring 2-0 also. Villa वाला match.
Yeah, it could be a 0-1 Villa win also.
Yeah, it could be a 0-1
that's why I'm not against selling Rodgers, right? Because for me 1-0, 2-0 more likely than 4-0, like 5-0, 3-0, right?
Yeah.
That's
but
why
I still feel 2 मारेगी.
हाँ 2 मारेगी मुझे भी लगता है obviously. But again ये मत बोलो United. I know toxic होगा environment, but United last home the players would want to do something. I'm assuming.
भाई पहले 18 गेम they don't want to do anything तभी होम पे नहीं खेल रहे.
यही तो देता वाटे साहब से मेरे को aggression.
ऐसे फुटबॉल वर्क नहीं करना कि want to do something suddenly.
भाई मनन के लॉजिक पता है they have to play to avoid relegation. वो लास्ट गेम 30 के बाद आता उससे पहले तो relegate होना चाहते हैं.
Half the players know they'll be sold. Manager doesn't know if he's gonna be there. आधे लोगों को वैसे भी रुकना नहीं है वहाँ पे. Toxic environment होगा. Fans will boo the shit out of them.
We agree on 2-0. Okay, we agree on 2-0.
तो इसमें बता दूं मैनेजर इज गोइंग टू बी देयर. जो प्लेयर बिकने वाले हैं उनको 3 महीने से ऑलरेडी पता है कि कौन बिकने वाला है. दैट इज व्हाई द परफॉर्मेंसेस दैट यू सी. सो क्लियरली देयर आर अ सिलेक्टेड फ्यू दैट्स गोना स्टे. बाकी कोई बायर्स आते हैं उस लेवल का पैसा मिलता है तो बिकेंगे. अदरवाइज दे जस्ट गोना रॉट ऑन द बेंच. तो इट्स अ वेरी बैड एनवायरनमेंट एट द मोमेंट. और till the time एक rebuild या pre-season आता है जहाँ पे आप refresh कर सकते हो, don't expect anything. So definitely avoid United assets, buy Villa assets, target this game. Could be anything.
Fair, yeah.
Yeah, मतलब I will just say कि मेरा personal opinion on Rodgers is कि fine if you bench him, fine if you
Fine
sell
if you
him,
play.
but
Yeah, fine if you play him
you-
also.
if you are benching him or selling him for a hit, that is मेरे हिसाब से something you have to evaluate. Manan, you know, it's
Fair.
very he could
It's risky, I know.
could do really well in this match. Yeah.
Yeah.
देखते हैं. I have not thought about क्या करूँगा, to be honest. मेरे को कुछ idea नहीं है. I'll just make a last minute decision जो मुझे सही लगता है. That's about it.
Yeah.
मैं तो
Okay,
मनन की
thank
बात
you all
सुन
for
के जो
watching.
मनन बोलेगा वो कर दूंगा.
That's true. That's true. Thank you all for
so much,
watching.
guys.
Thank you all for watching all season and
Yeah.
supporting us. And जाने से पहले make sure you do drop a like.
Hit the like.
And बताइए आपके क्या punt है. Tell us what your rank is also. Let's pray कि Manan Chipper is out of the top 10 in FPL Cup Shop and out of the top 50k overall.
So
And hope
fucking
Bhatia Saab is
rude.
in the top 100k.
So fucking rude. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cheers guys, all the best.
Yes, guys. All the best, guys.
Take care.
All the best, Manan, to you also. So that. You
Oh
get a
no,
better-
Rakshit, why are you breaking the curse?
Okay,
Cheers, guys.
Bye. See you.
Take care. Bye bye.
Fuck FPL.